So Russian tanks can run, but they can't hide, at least not for very long, not from Ukrainian drone operators. This is a wire-guided FPV drone, so fiber optic cable, finding a Russian tank parked underneath this structure here, hidden, right, not out there in the open. And watch how careful and deliberate this drone operator is in trying to find just the right location. Not there. Maybe there's another spot. Takes his time to find exactly where he can strike this tank to cause maximum damage and take it out with one hit. And we'll see that in a minute because we'll zoom out and we'll see that this entire building underneath it is just up in flames. It looks like a lot of ammo crates nearby, so that probably is going to help the cause. You can see right where the driver has a little bit of a view here. Looks like that chain is up, coming right in, finds a gap straight into the hatch. Seems to have done the trick. Again, there's the building smoking from underneath and pretty clearly hit the tank, destroyed that, and probably set off some ammunition in the process. These drone pilots are crazy good.